Hi, in this video, I will work out examples of the two multiplication rules for probabilities. The first example states the following. The chance that a person in the US owns a home is 65%. If 5 people are randomly selected, what's the chance that all 5 own a home? These are independent events because we're picking a small sample from a large population. Thus, we take 65% written as a decimal, 0.65. We multiply it with itself 5 times. Since we're choosing 5 people, we could simply raise it to the 5th power to make the calculation easier. And that's going to give us a probability of 0.116. Another example of independent events, or which results in the usage of multiplication rule number 1, is the next example. It states that the chance that a person residing in California is bilingual is around 40%. If 3 California residents are selected, what's the chance that all 3 are bilingual? Once again, we're selecting a small sample from a large population. Thus, we apply multiplication rule number 1 for independent events. We take 40%, 0.40, raise it to the 3rd power to get 0.064. Our third example is an example where we have dependent events. It says a person selects 3 cards from a standard deck of cards without replacement. What is the chance that all 3 are diamonds? Since we're not putting the cards back in the deck, the probability will be slightly modified for each selection. So for example, to calculate the probability that the first card is a diamond, well, there's 13 diamonds out of 52 cards. One of these cards is removed and we're assuming it's a diamond. Thus, the chance to pick another card that's a diamond is now 12 because 1 diamond has been removed out of 51 because 1 card has been removed. And then we assume that the second card's a diamond, so now we're going to pick a third one. The chance that the third card we select is a diamond, well, now there's only 11 diamonds left because we're assuming 2 have been selected out of 50 cards. We multiply this out to get 11 out of 850. And then the last example is also an example of applying multiplication rule number 2 when we have dependent events. It says an ice chest has 8 Cokes, 5 root beers, 6 Mountain Dews, and 5 waters. A person selects 4 drinks for himself and friends. What is the chance that all 4 are Cokes? Well, we're assuming that once the drink is selected, it's not going to be put back in to the chest. The chance that the first drink is a Coke is 8 out of 24. There's 24 cans and bottles of water in the chest, and there's 8 Cokes. So 1 Coke is selected, so now we have 7 Cokes out of 23 items. Another Coke is selected, so now we have 6 out of 22. A third Coke is selected, so now we have 5 out of 21. We multiply this out to get 5 out of 759. Thanks for watching this video.